Hi all, today's video is on Treemap visual. Let's start creating a Treemap visual. Now we select the Treemap icon from the visualizations pane and we can see three fields here that we need to fill up. One is category, details and values. To create a basic Treemap, I'll drag the subcategory into the categories section and then sales into values section. Now we see a basic Treemap is created. Mostly we use tree maps when we want to spot any patterns or highlight any outliers or most important contributors or any exceptions. So in this case we know that phones is the one with highest sales, whereas fasteners is the one with lowest sales. So that is a basic tree map that we have used here. Now to read a tree map, we have to keep one thing in mind, that is the highest value is at the top left of the tree map, whereas the lowest value is at the bottom right of the tree map, and second highest value is obviously at the bottom, and the third highest, fourth, and so on. We can go till the last value. So that's a basic tree map. Now we'll see how we can use more the detail section and create another tree map. I'll remove the subcategory section from here. I'll add region into category section. As we can see again, the top highest is at the top left, followed by east with 6.78 million, then it's central with 5 million, and last south with 3.9 million. Now we'll drag the ship mode into the detail section. Now we can see again there are four types of ship mode, and within each region we again they have segregated themselves within by the rule that we just mentioned, that is the highest is at the top list and lowest is at the bottom right of the map. So this is another way where we can add more details to our tree map. So let's head towards formatting our tree map now. We head to the visual part first. Here you can also enable the legend if you want, but I think we already have color code already for our respective measures that we have taken. So we can disable the legend for now. In the color section, you can choose the color that you need for each of your dimensions. I'm just selecting anything random. In the data labels, you can enable them if you want to check what is the amount as well. And we enable the, since we have disabled our legend, we'll enable the category labels here. So that's the basic, not much into tree map. And we head towards the general tab. In the title section, you can edit the title, increase the font. This is the basic stuff that we do for all our visuals. And in the effects, we'll add, no need to add a background color for the effect since everything is almost covered by our tree map. Add visual border and then shadows if required. So yeah, that is our tree map. Thank you for watching.